Check it out.
This is the MC. Mighty Christ.
MC Mighty Christ. He just turned the key. He didn't even have to hit the gas. Yeah, this is my car. It's my project. See it? Yeah. It's come a long way.
Still coming.
Yeah, it's still coming. This boy ain't nothing to be played with. Call this MC Legend. Yeah, that is my car. This is Win For Boys 101, man. I mean, it's a privilege to be a Win For Boy, man. Shout out to everybody. You know, Brandon, Dino, Kari, Uncle Daryl, Uncle Ronnie, Uncle Robert, man, all the Win Fors, man. We out here, man. Legend, man. Pops, MC Legend.
First video.
First video.
First video. And look over at that blue, because it's finna be the same color almost.
Oh, yeah.
Pop it off this trip. When I get through with this top for my son, you better watch out, y'all.